Hi, I'm Kelly from Metro Payment Technologies. We've partnered with NMI to bring you our customized Metro Payment Gateway. Today's video will be covering the topics shown below. We hope you find this video helpful, and please don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions.
The settlement schedule page allows you to tell the gateway when to initiate settlement on any payment processors on your account that support it. These times are reflected in whatever time zone your gateway account is set to. In this case, it's US Central Time. And any processors that support it will show up below. On this account, there are two. There's two credit card processors that support settlement, and they're both set to 7 p.m. I can select the dropdown and choose whatever time I want throughout the day, any half-hour increment. Now let's say my business is open past 7 p.m. and I want settlement to happen at 9 o'clock. I can change this to 9, and this one, I'm going to change it to 8 o'clock. I can go ahead and save those. My settings are saved, and I can return to the settlement schedule page to see the reflected times. Depending on what processing platform you're using, these will be either real-time or slightly delayed, usually by 1 business day, in changing the actual time of settlement. You'll want to reach out to your payment provider to see what your processor supports. After you've made a change, you can go down to Show History and see when changes were made to the account. So I can see there were 2 times things were changed, both at 9:08 a.m. today, and we'll show the user account, the processor that was changed, the old time, and the new time. And as you change, let's say we want to move this one back to 9 o'clock as well, update settlement, and go back, and now the history has a 3rd item, which shows that second processor moving from 8 to 9 as well.
Thanks for watching. If you have any other questions regarding our gateway, please contact us at 1-800-771-3719 or email us at service@metropaytech.com. Also, be sure to check out our website, www.metropaytech.com, to see all the other products and services we offer, including our new Fee Buster program, which offers you 0 processing fees.